Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up GCash in Binance. First, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for security and compliance, ensuring a smooth experience. Then, you will need to access the peer-to-peer trading section within the Binance application. This is where you can manage all your payment options and begin the setup process. To add GCash, go to your profile and select Payment Methods. From there, click on Add a Payment Method and search for GCash among the listed options. You will then be prompted to enter your GCash registered name and the 10-digit account number. Double-check these important details carefully to ensure they are absolutely correct before saving your new payment method. Once GCash is successfully added, it will appear in your list of available payment methods. You can now conveniently use it for buying or selling various cryptocurrencies through Binance's secure peer-to-peer platform. When initiating a trade, simply select GCash as your preferred payment option. Always confirm the transaction details with your counterparty before finalizing any exchange. For your utmost security, always transact with verified users on the peer-to-peer platform. Be cautious of any requests to communicate outside the Binance application. Never share your login credentials for either Binance or GCash with anyone under any circumstances. If you encounter any suspicious activity or unusual requests, report it to Binance support immediately to protect your valuable funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.